Hey guys, Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today we are in beautiful downtown San Diego where we have a customer taking delivery of his 2016 Chevy Express van. So this van came in just about completely stock. It had our 3-inch lift spindles on there, and what we did is we took those back and traded them towards his new kit. So what we've done on the front end of this is we've converted it fully to our coilover system. What that coilover system is, if you don't know what it's all about, it's our box lower control arms, our 2.5 king shocks, our billet upper control arms, our steering. And what's really nice about this kit is that it's fully adjustable. So if you want it softer or harder, you're gonna be able to just turn this knob right here and you're able to control the compression on the suspension. So this is a really nice kit that is going to not run a coil or a coil spring or a torsion bar like most four-wheel drives do. So what the benefit in this kit is that later on when you're ready to add four-wheel drive, the only thing that this is missing now is a front differential, a transfer case, drive shafts. But now all the suspension, all the components are there ready to set you up for four-wheel drive. So with that being said, this is the ideal setup for that person that wants the two-wheel drive, doesn't ready to fully commit to four-wheel drive, but is gonna get that awesome ride, and that's what this is gonna deliver. All right, so what we've gone here next is we're doing our two Brock sliders. We've done our step for the entry door, and you can see also on here, we've also added our bed liner material to really give the side protection from these brand new 35-inch Toyo tires. And yes, you did hear that correctly, 35-inch tires that we're running on a Chevy Express van with our method. These are the Con 6 wheels, 310 Con 6, awesome wheel in the bronze. And as you can see, as we step back away, we have our aluminum roof rack. Our new rack features a rolled top tube, which is gonna be really awesome, really setting our racks apart from everybody else's. And then we're gonna have our aluminum ladder. So keeping everything lightweight on the top of this whole vehicle. And you'll see, like when you get a view of this from the side, is that the ladder's really contouring the van. It's not standing out and looking obnoxious. So we've added a couple pods up to the top in order to give it rear light, double swing, ready for the gas can rack. Also locks open, so there's your whole back bumper, dual swing outs. Now what's nice about this swing out is you can do two things. You can unbolt this gas tray, and now you can bolt the box up on top of this. So depending on what you're gonna wanna do, you have the ability to kind of change it out and make it modular. It's another nice feature about our products. So it's also gonna give you the full range. You'll feel it in there, door's gonna open. The inside is still under construction, where right now we're just taking care of the outside. You can see along the bottom of the back still carry that stripe all the way around it. So in order to close it, what's nice is this is gonna lock into place here. Now when you wanna unlock it, come over, pull the latch, locks back in place. So for this side, you can see that with both the cargo doors, that we've made a bigger slide or skid plate on the bottom, as far as, you know, tread plate in order to stand on for the both front and rear doors. Another just nice little touch. And then we go around to the front bumper. So we've completely decked this thing out with lights. We're running a 12,000 pound winch on it. And then this is our tube steel construction bumper, which is just gonna be extremely strong. You can see that also here we took the skid plate, we did a flush mount 24-inch LED in there, which is awesome. And in order to control all these lights, what did we do? Let's check out the inside. What that's gonna do is it's gonna give you 8 switches in order to be able to hook up 8 different things. What we've done on this is in the rear, we've done a rear ARB locker with an onboard compressor. So now that locker is also controlled in that Switch Pros panel. In the back, we've added our full custom leaf springs in the rear. So this particular pack is a 7-leaf pack that should more than be enough to hold the weight, and then also gonna give you the travel from what he wants to do with whatever, get craziness with this van. Well, at least that's the plan. All right, well, you've seen enough of this van. Let's go back to the shop.